Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the purchase invoice module, how you can create a new purchase invoice, then how you can manage all your payments from the purchase invoice, and how you can perform inventory operations as well. So let's dive in. First of all, you'll go to the left hand menu where you will see sales and purchase. Inside that you will see purchase invoice. So once you click on the purchase invoice, this page will load up where you will see all the details of your existing purchase invoices that you have created. Every detail of the purchase invoice almost will be displayed over here, like the total amount, the pending amount, and whether it's been settled or it's been pending yet. Then if it's you have saved it as a draft or no, and the tax value, subtotal, everything you can see over here. So there are some action buttons here, as you can see, like the edit button. If it's not settled yet, you can still edit the bill. Then there is a duplicate option. You can make a duplicate copy of this certain purchase invoice. Then there is this allocate payment option. Like I have shown you in my other videos, that you can allocate payment by going to the finance else section in make payment module. So if you allocate your payment over there manually, then you can simply come here, click on this allocate button, and the allocated amount will be shown here. Then you can enter whatever amount you have here in the allocated section, and you can simply allocate it. So once you do that, it will be displayed over here, and it will from the total, that amount that you have allocated will be deducted, and the pending will be shown over here. So that's how you can allocate the money. Then there is this cancel option, using which you can cancel the this certain invoice. Then there is this manage document option, using which you can upload certain documents if it's necessary for that certain invoice that you have created. So in top there is certain buttons. These are like the add new button to create a new invoice. Then the filter option, with there are multiple filters. You can apply all these filters and search for the invoice that you are looking for. You can click on this to apply those filters. Then you can click on this to reset the table after you are done looking for a certain invoice. Then there is also this generate report option, using which you can generate a report of this whole page and all the invoices, the invoice details that you have in this page. So right now I have already created an item. Let me show you before we proceed to create a new invoice. So if I go to items and services, here you can see I have created an item named as jeans with item code jeans. Now if we go and check the stock balance currently for jeans, you can see current stock is 0. So now let's purchase this jeans for someone. We'll simply click on the plus button once you are in the purchase invoice page. So you will select the account from which from whom you will be buying the product, since it's a purchase invoice. So you can select from the existing accounts, or you can create a new one. Right now we'll create a new one. Suppose we are buying it from Levi's. Then we'll enter the invoice number, select a date. Then you can select if it's tax inclusive or exclusive or non-taxable. Then after you're done selecting all those things, you can select the item. Like I have created jeans, so I'll be selecting jeans, and you can see the description has been auto fetched over here, and even the item amount, unit price also has been auto fetched, the tax amount, and all those things. Now I'll choose I'll enter the number of quantity. Suppose we're buying 50 pieces. You can see all these amounts has been auto calculated. Suppose we can also add a discount of 5%. You can see it has been auto calculated. There is also a feature of reverse calculation. Suppose you want to deduct certain amount from the total, right? Then all the rest will be auto adjust with the total. Suppose it's currently 23,750, so I'll make like 20,750. Now you can see the unit price has been reduced. So that's how basically it works. It's almost like tally, and you can perform all the operations here. You can add multiple items as per your requirement. I'll just leave them empty for now. You can also add additional details if it's important for you. Currently I'll just leave them empty and click on the generate option. So once you click on the generate option, this you can see the invoice has been generated with all the details that we have entered and selected. So basically this is how you can prepare the invoice. And on top you can see there are multiple options, like you can go back to the list, then you can edit the invoice if it's if you have made any mistakes or so. Then you can also make duplicate copy of this certain invoice. Then you can also create a new invoice directly from here. You can directly go to the add page. Then you can see this, there is the perform inventory option, right? So basically I have shown you that currently for the jeans we have current stock of 0, right? So if we choose the warehouse and to click on the perform inventory operation, you will see that 50 quantity of jeans will be added to the inventory. So you can see inventory done successfully. So if you go to the inventory option and check the balance for jeans, you can see we have current stock of 50. So basically you can add the stock directly from there. Then if we go back and open the same invoice again, you will see there is a make payment option, right? You can make a payment directly from here without going to the financial make payment option. You can do it directly from the invoice itself. If we go back to the list, you can see there currently the pending amount is this much, right? So I'll go to the invoice and make a payment. Currently we need to pay 20,000, but let me pay like 15,000. You can also, you have to also choose the mode of payment, like cash or whatever it is. Suppose UPI, we can generate it, and you can see payment added successfully. And if we go back to the list, you can see from the total the 15,000 has been deducted, and currently this much is pending. And also if you go to the make payment module, you can see the payment has been added of 15,000 for the Levi's account for that certain invoice. Okay, so basically that's how you can add your payments, perform inventory operation, and do all those things directly from the invoice itself. And if you want to add more amount, like since it's been paid half, right? If you want to add the rest of the amount, you can simply go back to this invoice itself, then click on make payment, add the remaining amount, select the mode of payment, suppose cash, then generate. And you can see it has been added successfully. Now if you go back, and you will see the current due balance is 0. So basically the bill has been settled. So that's how the module works. It's very simple and easy to use, and you can see I have shown you almost everything. If there is still any doubts or confusion from what I've explained, please do mention in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.